12 months of their year. The year is new. Snowflakes fall, a frosty view. February short and sweet, with Valentine's Day hearts beats. March winds blow, spring starts, birds chirp, skies clear. April rains fall from the sky, flowers bloom, spirits high. May brings warmth, flowers bright, days grow longer, full of light. June is here with summer's song, school is out, days are long. July's fireworks light the night, summer fun is pure delight. August days are hot and bright, lazy days, stars at night. September's leaves turn gold and red, back to school books to be read. October's pumpkins big and round, Halloween fun all around. November brings a thankful cheer, family, friends all are near. December snow and holiday cheer, and the cycle of the year. Each month brings its own delight, from winter's cold to summer's light. Through the year the seasons flow, bringing joy as they go.